this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert OBS video output to MP4. But before I show you how to do it, if you're interested in Shopify, you can get it for only $1 your first month. So if you're interested, click the link in the description. So what you have to do is navigate to File. If you're on your Mac, it's going to be wherever your window is. So you want to click on File, and it's important then to click on Remove Recordings. Now this is all empty, but you need to drop files to this window that have that extension you don't want. So as you can see, this is the .mkv, and I'm just going to drop it here. And now you can see it goes from my downloads. We'll go to my downloads, don't use MP4 and not NQV, so from NQV to MP4. Then what you do is click Remux. Now that it's completed, you click OK, and you go where the thing is, and as you can see, it's been converted. Don't use that MP4. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what was the problem in the comments down below.